What is up, everyone? This is Ricky572 Return a Chance, and today is Tuesday, February 9th. Today we're going to be playtesting our Harpy deck, well, my Harpy deck, and let's host it. We're going against Nivek today, so host this shit. 3, 4, and let's just text and let him know we're ready. What time is it? It's actually Nivek's birthday at midnight. What is it? February 10th? February 10th. So we're gonna say happy birthday to him and call him at 12. But let's see what he's gonna use. There he is. All right. And let's start it. So today we're gonna be playing some testing, like I said, the Harpy deck, and I recently updated the deck since Tri-Brigade got support, which was just Kit. But Kit actually did a lot for the deck. It helped me get an extra body in the graveyard. Alright, so I'm starting. So let's see. Fractal, that's always good to start with. And we have a Harpy Lady. And we also have Karas. So we're going to start off by activating Elegant Egotist, just to bait him out. Normal chain. We're going to normal summon Harpy Lady. No. And now we're gonna activate Elegant Egotist, get an extra body on the board. Harpy Lady. And now we're gonna activate Fractal. Fractal's gonna send Kit. Kit is gonna send Nerval. Nerval is gonna add. I guess it really doesn't matter what I add, but we'll add the Fractal. Now I've seen this deck being, I've seen Tri-Brigades played with that other fake Harpies, Lyrilusk or something like that, and it's actually really good. It actually plays really well too, but I prefer to just stay full on. Like I've been a Harpy player since like 2011, so I'm trying to stay loyal to Harpies. We're gonna play just Harpies. Okay, so we could special summon here. We could go for Harpy Lady, actually. Let's actually do that. No, you know what? Let's do this. Now activate. And we're going to special summon. I feel like he has an impermanence in the hand. So let's see. We're going to activate Karos' effect. We're going to link for 3. Does he have anything? I feel like he has it. Okay, he has it. Not a problem. Not a problem. We can still do this. We can still go into our Simorg. Do we want to go into Simorg? We can actually, yeah, we're just going to go into Simorg. I really hope he doesn't have the Ash Blossom. And end our turn. Activate Simorg. Does he have the Ash Blossom? I swear to God. Okay, he doesn't have the Ash Blossom. And with that, we're just going to summon out. What should we summon out? Should we go for Apex Avion? We have a negate. Or we could go for the berry statue. Let's lock him into the berry statue. We're gonna force him to attack it. Alright, let's see what deck he's playing. Yesterday he what? What the fuck? What the fuck? I swear. Did he misclick? Misclick? He just passed what? No, what? He didn't have anything? No way. There's no way. Okay, so what we could do here is I think I'll make some additions. Alright, so we're just gonna go for the attack. What the fuck? That's really weird. I guess he bricked. So we have a negation and we have him locked. there isn't really much you could do here. And we're just gonna end turn, and we're gonna activate some Morg's effect. And it doesn't really matter what we bring out. We pretty much already have game, in my opinion. Let's bring out a Harpy. And just add the Elegant Egotist. And that's it. I still don't know what deck he's playing because he didn't fucking play anything. Okay, Dark Ruler no more. That's fine. I can't negate that. I can't negate shit. It doesn't really matter. Top deck like a motherfucker. Got lucky with that. This and I think Droplet are like the few cards that could break this and this. Okay, so he said he had Dark Ruler last turn, but I guess he didn't have any recovery plays or anything to start his plays with. Alright, so he's gonna activate Harvester. Alright. So this kind of worries me now, because he could go into that big shit and just attack everything I have. I swear to God, if he wins using that big shit. No. One of the few things we are missing in our deck is spell and trap card negations, because most of our shit relies on the monsters. Okay, so he has a level 5 he could go into. Is he locked yet? Yeah, he's locked, so he could only special summon machine monsters. Trains, Infinitrack trains. That's the deck he's playing. He's gonna activate Crab Crane. Crab Crane is gonna let him add to the hand, right? No, yeah, add Outrigger extension from. Yep. Outrigger extension. Basically, I cannot target his Exceeds with any card effects, right? And then once per turn, he could target an Infinitrack Exceed monster he controls and special summon it from the extra deck. He can special summon from the extra deck one machine monster that is 2 ranks higher. So he has that. If he goes up, he could do a 7, but I don't think that that's what he's gonna do. What the fuck? I swear to God, he better not. He could. Oh, but I don't take damage this turn because he used Dark Ruler no more. Okay, so we're safe. We have nothing to worry about. I mean, he is gonna clear our field, but I'll take damage. Yeah, so I'm not gonna take damage, but we really gotta hope we draw a fucking Harpy. That way we could use all these. How many Harpies did I use? I used 2, so I could only use 1 more Harpy. If I could do, we have our plan B in this deck. I won't show you guys yet, but I'll show it if we do pull it off. Plan B, in case some Morg doesn't work for us, we have a plan B. And if plan B doesn't work, then we're fucked. But we only have 1 Harpy lady in the deck left. Okay, and that you can tap momentary from this card, take 1 Earth monster from your deck and add it to your hand or send it to graveyard. This card's in graveyard. Okay, not bad. We could get over that. It's nothing to worry about. He has that Super Dreadnought. Okay. Basically a big ass fucking tank. That's all it is. During the end phase, this card is sent to the graveyard. This card is sent to the graveyard because it's sent there this turn. You can target one machine monster in your graveyard and add it to your hand. Okay, so he's gonna have a recovery play. He's putting it in a defense position? Why? Wait, what is he doing? Oh, I see. He's making sure he's making sure that he's protected in case I do my plan B. Well, alright then, let's see if he... Okay, we drew it. Okay, so now this is what we could do. We could go into plan B. But first we're going to activate. Now we're going to go into... And now we're going to activate and summon the last fucking Harpy lady we have. Okay. So I could do that. And plan B, here we come. So this is my plan B. I swear to God, he better not have an Ash Blossom. If he has an Ash Blossom, we're done. Activate. Utopia double. Attach. We're gonna add double or nothing. Okay, he doesn't have the Ash Blossom. And we're gonna go into Utopia. I guess it doesn't really matter. Well, with you I can still negate something. But plan B, here we come. And now we're gonna attack. I guess we could attack you. No, it doesn't really matter. Main phase 2. We're gonna go into Zeus. Plan B. No, well, this is technically Plan C. Plan B is Utopia. Okay, so we have a little recovery right there. Do we want to activate it? Not yet. We're gonna wait until he tries to activate something. I swear, if he drew another Dark Ruler, no more. He better not have drew it. I'm gonna be mad if he did. He better not have. And the good thing about Utopia, if we have Hysteric Sign on the field, we could use Utopia's effect and benefit off Hysteric Sign, because it technically Hysteric Sign is still going to the graveyard. And Hysteric Sign says, when this card is activated, add one the graveyard effect. If this card is sent to the graveyard because it's sent there this turn, from the hand or field this turn, add up to 3 Harpy cards with 3 different names from each other from the deck to the hand. Indeed. So we have to wait for him to summon. Because if he had Dark Ruler, he would have used it by now. So we're waiting for him to go into battle phase and try to attack into it so we can use our effect. The only issue we do have is that okay. Yeah, the only issue that we do have is that we don't have any Harpy ladies left in the deck. So we really gotta hope we draw into a Fractal, Tenki, Naka. Go into battle. Not yet. He's trying to make me use it. Declare your fucking attack. Declare your attack. Come on. How many materials do we have? Can we use it twice? No, we can only use it. Yeah, so we're gonna activate it now. And we're gonna send Harpy and you. Now he's gonna want to bring out his other plays. So this one says, oh, Pot of Avarice. Basically, you can banish this card from your graveyard and target 5 Earth monsters in your graveyard. Shuffle them into the deck, then draw 2 cards. Okay, Pot of Avarice. So yeah, it's fucking recovery plays. All right. We should actually play another Zeus just in case, huh? Let's really hope we top deck our Tri-Brigade. We have 27 cards in the deck left. And we're all out of Harpies. You should really consider Pot of Avarice. But we still have our Tri-Brigades in there. And we don't need much. We just need one of them to be able to use the effect and bring out this guy. I can actually bring him out too. We'll see how it goes. Heart of the cards. Let's see what he's gonna do. Is he gonna go into 12? I think he's gonna go into a rank 12. Is he locked? He's not locked. Again. Indeed. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Alright, let's get ready to sing happy birthday to him. Alright. What up, Kuh? You know what time it is? You know what that means?
26 now.
What?
I'm 26 now.
Happy birthday, homie.
For real?
For me? Happy birthday, homie. For me? Happy birthday, dear Kevin.
Alright.
Happy birthday. Can y'all see that?
Well, y'all can.
Probably not. Huh?
It's kind of distracting me right now.
Well, what do you think the point of this is? I'm trying to make you not think. Alright, my guy. I'm gonna let you think. I just want to do that at midnight.
Oh. Yeah, no, I actually saw, I looked up and I was like, oh, it's fucking midnight. I'm over here trying to make some moves here.
I'm gonna need a top deck like a motherfucker, because I have no Harpy ladies that left in the deck.
Damn, that sucks.
I know. That's like one of the worst feelings. I might consider playing Pot of Avarice, because I dump so many shit in my graveyard.
Yeah, it looks like you do.
Yeah. I might consider like taking out Raigeki and just putting it in the Pot of Avarice. This what we doing?
Makes sense.
Alright, my guy. Well, I'll let you go. I'm gonna get back into this right now. Happy birthday. I'll see you later.
Alright.
Such a nice guy. Okay, so this is gonna prevent his shit from being destroyed. This is the only thing I gotta worry about. That shit's 4,000. What do you call it? Defense. What is Raccoon copy? You could always level this shit up into that big shit again. Raccoon will do what? You go to the attack of the highest monster on the field. Yeah, Oh wait. Oh, look, we do have some stuff. It's not. It's not anything. You son of a bitch. Yeah, fucking Ash Blossom. Heart of cards. Oh fuck! We don't have anything. We don't have anything. Shit. I should have just ended him when I could. Damn it. Okay, we're just gonna go into attack. I'm just gonna attack that. Damn. What are you gonna do? What does this do? You get... It's unaffected by card effects. Yeah, so what? I only got like... Fuck. This bitch. Alright, I'll give him that one. I'll give him that one. He so close though. What the fu- Oh, and he has that too. Alright, yeah, that's... I mean, I still have 8,000 life points, but I'm pretty sure he could get over that. Like I said, unless I fucking like draw a fractal or a tanky of the fire spirits, is that what it's called? Yeah, tanky. My harpies are on the fucking graveyard. We'll only play one of these. It's always nice to have this just in case you're playing like a... Actually, I should actually side it out. I think I might side it out for when I play like back row heavy decks. Cause I mean, it comes in handy sometimes, but not all the times. And most of the time, I'm searching out Elegant Egotist with Perfumer. So you might consider putting that in the side deck and just putting in like Pot of Avarice. Cause Pot of Avarice would help right now. You know what? The other card, that other Harpy card that lets you, what is it, like return 3 and then draw 1 or something? I don't know. I'm just brainstorming right now, thinking out loud and shit. No mercy. Finish me. No humble up. So anyways, on another note, we're like almost in March, February 10th. I guess we have like 2-3 weeks left. This is actually a long month. This is like one of the few months with like 30 something days, right? No? Oh, I might be wrong. Oh yeah, 28. I thought we had 30 something. But anyways, it's almost March in like 3 weeks. That means new ban list. Yeah, he got me. Yeah, that means new ban list. And for those of you that like are like me, who like get anxious and get anxiety from like new ban lists, we'll be doing a ban list prediction video soon. Maybe tomorrow. Might do it tomorrow. Let's go on to the next thing. But yeah, we might be doing a ban list prediction video soon, where I give you guys my predictions on what I think is gonna get banned, what I think is gonna get limited, what I think is getting semi-limited, and maybe like stuff I think that is gonna come off. It's gonna be a short video, just some quick opinions. Like we know like what the meta is. You know, Virtual World. We got Drytron, Zodiac Outlich, and what else? What else is topping right now? I can't really think. I'll be more prepared tomorrow, but or when the video comes out. But yeah, all right. Let's go back into this. We're gonna be going. He can't really do shit going first. So let's go. Let's let him go first. Oh, nice. All we need is a Harpy, and we're good. Elegant Egotist would work actually too. I keep forgetting that he doesn't like going first because he can't really do any plays going first. So he's gonna activate terraforming. Activate revolving switchyard. Is that it? What else you got? You have 4 cards. One of them has to be a hand trap. And I'll be doing a deck profile on this shit too. I'm just waiting for the cards to come in. Also, let me know down in the comments if you guys went ahead and bought Blazing Vortex and if you guys pulled a Pot of Prosperity. I bought 2 boxes. Go check out our last video. But I didn't end up pulling any of those. You could go check out what I pulled. It's actually pretty sad. Okay, so he's locked now. He's locked into Earth monsters, so he can't summon all calamities. So we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just put this in the side deck for more back row heavy decks. Like right now, we can't really do anything with it. So that's gonna protect that. And this is gonna protect this. Oh, that's gonna protect that? No updates. So that's double protection. Oh, nice. Okay, so we can start off with this. So let's start off with this first. And we're gonna add fractal. And let's do this. Let's special summon. See him do anything with that. What? I mean, obviously he's protected. Not too worried about that. We're gonna activate fractal to send the kit. Kit is gonna activate to send Nerval. Nerval is gonna activate to add Karas. And now we're gonna, what should we do? We could pop that face down. I wonder what that face down is. We have a normal summon, huh? Let's normal summon you. Now we're gonna activate. We're only gonna do 2. And the 2 we're gonna do are you and you. Is he gonna negate that? Yeah, okay, that's fine. At least we don't have to worry about that no more. And we don't have to bring out a Harpy Lady. So now we can go into our another play. We're gonna activate and special summon. And we have 3, so we're gonna activate and bring out. What should we do? Samorg. Is Samorg gonna help us right now? Samorg. We're going to Samorg, but he's just gonna negate it. Hi.
What are you doing?
Record. Once per turn, you could. Kevin, you can attach 1 material from this card, then target 1 face of monster and field. That card is target. Okay. So we had to play around that. I could go into 3 some more.
Did he get his birthday loss yet?
Huh?
Did he get his first loss?
No, he got fucking lucky.
Oh.
And do some work. Okay, we could do this some work. Fuck, I think that's the only play I have. And then I could go into... I think that's it. Damn it. I think that's it. I'm just gonna interface. Yep, that's it. I mean, we could go into our link 4, I guess, next turn. Because he's just gonna go into that and attack those twice. So we'll do this. Just so he won't be able to go into that big shit. And he's gonna be forced to attack into that. Or this. Unless he drew fucking Dark Ruler no more. What are you gonna attack into? I'm kind of hoping he attacks into the berry statue because I need to summon a non-win next turn. Come on, what are you gonna do? I know you have plays. Yep, he's gonna do it. Is he gonna go into some work or the berry statue? I'm pretty sure it's the berry statue. Because he can't do shit with the berry statue on the field. Oh, he's going to some work? Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, no problem. So we could go into... What could I summon with Fractal? I could actually normal summon Fractal. What do we have left? What do we have left? We don't want to make a mistake. We play 2 of these. And we play 2 of these. Oh, we don't have anything left. So we're just going to normal summon the Fractal. Okay, we can go into Apollosa. Definitely we can go into Apollosa. But first we should try to go into that. We could actually go into the 4. Let's see, we have to get rid of our statue. Let's see, we could activate and special summon. We could summon you 2. Alright, let's see. Activate. Special summon. Yeah, the 2 is the only one I could do. I'm gonna do you and you. Are you gonna activate that? No, he's not. Oh, and I get quick effect. Awesome. Awesome. How much is it? It's 32, right? Can I get uploads for 32? No, I can't get uploads for the 32. Let's make him use it up. Make me use it up. Okay, so we could do Harpy. Oh no, we can't. We could do Appaloosa only. Okay, let's do Appaloosa. No, but that's like the only thing that's helping us. If we get rid of him, I mean, if we get rid of the statue, can't really do much. I mean, we could activate and send. Wait, we can send our own statue. That's not gonna help. Let's do that. That's what we were hoping for. Wait, we could have done the Appaloosa and then done that. What the fuck? Why did we think of that? Why did we think of that? Fuck, stupid. We could have done that. We could have just gone into Appaloosa and then negated that and it would have sent that. What the fuck? Okay, no problem, no problem. Wait, we can still activate that effect, which is gonna let us send. But we don't have anything left in there. We have 1, 2. Oh, we have kits. But we don't have any. Oh, we have Karas. We have Karas. Right? We have Karas. Yeah, we have a Karas. Okay. And we have a kit. Kit. I think we'll just do this then. Yeah, that's fine, but he's not gonna be able to special summon it. He's trying to make me use it up. But it depends on which one he's gonna attack. If he's going for my statue first, then we're not gonna use it. Come on, Nivek. I'm not gonna lose this duel. We still have our Harpies to go through. We haven't used the Harpies. So we gotta fucking top deck a Harpy like a motherfucker right now. He's gonna go in for an attack. What is he gonna attack first? He's gonna protect it. I'm so dumb though. We should have done the Appaloosa. We should have done the Appaloosa. We could have brought out Appaloosa, activated his effect, and then with Appaloosa on the field, we could have negated that and bounced it back, and then just attack. Oh well, we learned. Only thing I could fucking hope for is a fucking Harpy lady right now. Preferably Harpy Chandler. Just gonna activate that. 2 special summon. One monster can hand defeat that target with level 10 2 monster. Its effects are negated. So what does he bring out this level 10? I mean rank 10. Is it Gustav Max? Is he gonna try to inflict 2,000 like points? Dun 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 dun. No mercy. What the fuck is this? Sky Palace. Intangible target will card your opponent for a short target, and if you do inflict down damage. Okay, well, my shit triggers. Unfortunately, we don't get to do shit with it. Oh, we would have drew it. No, you can't draw it. We would have drew it. Now we can't draw it. Ah, shit. He's going extra now. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. What the fuck am I supposed to do? The harpy lady, I wanted the other one. Alright, I would just set one card face down in defense mode. Alright. Happy birthday, bitch. Alright, we let him win. Let's say we let him win. Just because it's his birthday, we're gonna go easy on him. But look at that. We drew the card we needed. It was the next card. I mean, he could have probably cleared it up, but it would have gave us something. Oh, look, Rock's watching. Finish me. Oh, he's showing off just because it's his birthday. He could easily just activate. Oh, that wouldn't work. But you could just attack with this and then attack with this. Show off. Go make sure to comment "suck my dick, Kevin" in the comment section, as well as tell him happy birthday. There's no need to overextend, my guy. You could already win. Just finish me already. I told him he was gonna take his first L of his 26th year birthday live, but I guess he's taking a W. Congratulations, my guy. Congratulations. Let's call him up one more time.
So what's up? I told you I had you. I was gonna teach you a lesson, old man.
Suck my dick.
I'm still gonna make changes though, but you know, it's just I had to play a little smart right there. I was thinking like, okay, I have my cannon, which gives me protection, or it can protect itself, and it's like you have the statue out, and all your Tri-Brigades are not wind, so. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just keep that out a little bit until I think I can, like, you know, do a play, and well, there you go.
Low key, I did fuck up one play. Well, I didn't fuck up because I didn't think of it until after you used the effect.
Which one?
I could have made Apollosa to negate what's his name effect to protect itself.
Oh, you talking about? Oh.
Yeah, but I didn't think. I
was thinking you would do that, but my instinct was you would make Appaloosa just to crash or something.
Yeah, I thought about that too, but it wouldn't have been strong enough. But my Appaloosa would have been made with 3 materials. I would have left the ancient warrior on there, and activated his effect.
Okay, so you would have had Ancient Warrior and
Appaloosa.
out, right?
Yeah.
And then you had like your 10 key back row, so that was like your thing to bounce, to send away.
Yeah, that was my thing, but I didn't think about that until after I what do you call it? Activated the effect. I was like, wait, I could have done this. But I was late on thinking about that. I was like, fuck.
Right.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure you still have recovery plays after that. The only thing that was probably like saving me was the barrier statue from like preventing you from summoning. Like,
yeah,
the big shit.
No, I was gonna say, like, you had the barrier statue, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna actually keep it out.
And I was hoping you attacked into it that way. I was hoping you.
I wanted to just because I had was it Railroad Stampede, which is like the one that summons one from the grave.
Mm-hmm.
But after I did that one effect, the number 82 effect.
Yeah.
What was his name? No, 81. He's number 81. So after I did 81 effect, I detached Super Express Bullet Train to get recursion back.
Gotcha.
So like that. Yeah. So it was like I had that in my hand, and if I would have, all I had to do was normal summon, and I would have summoned a freight train for my hand instead of using its effect to summon from the grave or some shit. I think it was something like that.
And
I don't think I could have. No, actually, you know what? My bad. I had Bullet Train in my hand already. I actually did have Bullet Train in my hand already. I just needed to get the statue off the field. But then you try to get me with your Ancient Warrior, and I stopped that from happening.
In other words, he had the game.
Yeah. I know that didn't come out wrong. That didn't come out right. I gotta watch the replay.
That was a good one though. That was a good one.
Oh yeah.
All right then, my guy. Well, I'm gonna finish.
Get you back, man.
I'm gonna finish the video off right now.
There we go. First dub of 26.
First dub of Kevin's 26. Happy birthday! I gave you that win.
Thanks.
I'm some Courtney shit. I gave you that win. I let you win.
I'm sure you did.
You want to run it back against another deck?
That's crazy though, man. The thing that I didn't think I would be doing was like, okay, I got Leave and Zeus on the same field. I'm like, that's something I don't always get to do.
What you trying to say? Because I'm weak, you brought those out?
Huh?
You saying I'm weak because I let you bring those out?
No, you didn't let me. I had to do that. I had to earn that.
You trying to say?
I had to make the plays to have those two on my field.
You trying to say if I was a better player, you wouldn't have brought those out?
Probably.
Suck my dick. All right.
I would have probably stopped you.
All right, you guys. Well, let me end the fucking video, my guy.
That.
Let me end the video.
All right, my bad. I'm watching it right now. I'm trying to
Suck
see.
my dick.
I'm trying to see up to what point. This is so that you can edit it. I'm sure you're editing this.
No, this is just, what do you call it? This is just live.
Straight upload?
Yeah, this is just like live because this is the video. Yeah, I'll call you back right now. You want to run it back against another deck, or are you good?
Or a different deck?
Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking about what are you calling side decking Harpies Hunting Ground for like more back row heavy decks.
Wait, side deck your field spell?
Yeah, just for more back row heavy decks, and then putting in like a Pot of Avarice. Or that Harpy card that lets you that acts like a Pot of Avarice for Harpies. Yeah. Cause it's searchable.
Right, I got it right here. This is where it was going down. I don't know if you can see that. Like, you see, I had detached and added back.
Oh, okay, I see it.
I already had it in my hand. Just needed to get your statue on field, which I was able to do. I was trying to copy the level, but I realized since I already attacked with a non-exceed monster, I couldn't do it. So I had to do the double hanger knuckle, and then I make a Sky Palace to pop 2 of your cards, get that extra burn, and then you drew and put it back because that's the effect.
That was actually the card I needed.
Those 2 guys had just 2 walls, right? You drew Harpy Lady. You drew the Harpy Lady, and I was just showing off here a little.
I know you were, bitch. I was like, oh, you could just attack.
Yeah, just stop right there.
All right, guys.
At the end.
All right, you guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more Yu-Gi-Oh content. Also, go check out our Instagram at.
Check out our Instagram at Return to the Champs, guys. We're really trying to get this going. You know, we need your help. Please help.
And go comment happy birthday down below for Kevin. This is Ricky572 and Nivek from Team ROTC, and we'll see you guys next time.
All right. See ya.